Hello guys, and today we're gonna be launching the Dominator 4. Oh wait, I guess this is Dominator. We're gonna be launching the Dominator into a tornado. Yeah. And we're not even gonna try to go against it or deploy against it. What we're gonna do is drive straight into it and then I guess just get lifted. It's gonna be kind of fun. So here we go! Oh wait. Oh no. Oh my goodness. The car flipped, but we're still here. We're still good. Okay guys, I'm gonna, why can't I back up? I can't back up. Am I stuck? Okay. No, I'm not stuck. Okay, we're going back in because that wasn't really good. Here we go! We're going in! Here we go, guys! Oh no! That's a powerful tornado. But we're gonna go back into it because I'm not satisfied. Here we go! We're going in! Oh, here's where the kick starts. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that monster, dude. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna try to even go in the direction of the tornado. Stay on course with it. Oh my goodness, we're getting lifted. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. 1,000 miles per hour? Okay, that was crazy. Let's just spawn a vehicle again. Let's just spawn a vehicle. Never mind. Oh. Let's do Hurricane Fighter. It can deploy, but I'm just... Well, it lifted itself. We can't spawn... I can't spawn vehicles now. Let me try to spawn one now. T1. Nope, it's gone. Oh my goodness, whose vehicle is stuck in the... I don't know, what is this? I don't know how that happened. Okay, guys. I'm gonna spawn a new vehicle. Let's spawn let's look, support vehicles. Relay truck. I wanna see. Nearest tornado is an EF4. So that's an EF4, guys. EF3. What about EF... Wait, let's see. Oh wait, I think it's... Oh wait, I'm gonna go to it either way. EF4. Oh. Nearest tornado, you're inside it. I'm inside of the nearest tornado. Oh. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, because I got lifted again. Oh wait, no, I'm okay. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay. Oh my goodness! This is crazy. This is so crazy. I can't even... Oh my goodness. How is this thing so intact? Oh wait, I lost a tire. Okay. How is the vehicle still... Okay, the vehicle... Oh, it's just gone. Alright. Let's do it one more time. I'm gonna look what vehicles cannot deploy again. Now look. Support vehicles. Let's do Tornado Watcher. Okay, don't Okay, that guy kidnapped me. Okay, let's go. We're driving into the tornado, guys. This video is gonna end soon, so I gotta go quickly. Which tornado should we do? We're doing this one. Up, and we're getting lifted. Here we go. This is gonna get interesting. Oh wait, guys, the video's ending right now. Bye-bye.